Going to be doing some traveling, so I'm checking out this Plugable USB charging station. And the reason for that is a lot of times you go to a hotel and there might be a plug or two. Sometimes there's even something for USB charging. But what I'm concerned about is when I'm traveling, that there's not going to be enough plugs to like recharge all of our cameras and drones and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box. So I like to make sure that we have enough outlets and some USB. So let's check this out. This is from Plugable. It's a 67 watt and it's a triple USB. So we have triple USB-C on the front there. This is a meter that's going to tell us what's going on. Looks like we have plugs on the side and up top, and the one up top is grounded. This is a nice little cube that you bring with, a nice flat plug, and when you use it, it's going to tell you how many watts your appliances are pulling. Hope this helps.